In this video, I'm going to reveal step-by-step how you can make your first $1,000 with a faceless fitness YouTube channel without worrying about AdSense or the YouTube Partner Program. You see, there's a lot of gurus out there that are telling you that the fitness niche is a great niche for faceless YouTube channels. However, they're not telling you the whole truth. They're not telling you that it can be difficult or almost impossible to get started in this niche for a few reasons, and there could be a long road to monetization. As you may or may not know, YouTube AdSense or the YouTube Partner Program is hell for new creators simply because you have to get to 1,000 subscribers, which is an arbitrary number, 4,000 watch hours, which again is another arbitrary number. And even when you get those metrics, it's very possible that your audience, your viewers, aren't in the right place. And so your CPMs are lower. What we're going to talk about today is 6 real ways that you can actually monetize your content, whether it's faceless or showing up on camera, for the fitness niche that doesn't require the YouTube Partner Program, and that can actually help you monetize starting today. What we're going to do is I'm going to give you a few steps that you should take before monetizing so that you have the best chance for monetization and the different opportunities that you have that you can take advantage of almost immediately. Now, some of these are going to be able to you'll be able to make money with some of these much quicker than others, but some of these have a higher earning potential. So understand the pros and cons, the benefits and drawbacks to each one of these before making a decision on which one you're going to pursue. Now, if you are a YouTube content creator or you're a faceless YouTube content creator and you want to know how to monetize your niche, comment your niche down below and I'll make a video just for you. But let's go ahead and get started. Step number 1 is to pick a niche and niche down. One of the biggest problems that faceless gurus are making and telling people is they should just create content in fitness or baking or candlestick making. What you need to do in 2025 and 2026 is to pick a niche and niche down. There's so many content creators that are creating the exact same content, it can be very difficult to stand out. And the best way to stand out is to niche down. And what do I mean by niche down? Let's say, for example, your niche is fitness. That is a top level niche. So we're going to write down health, right? We know that inside of health, people want to lose weight, gain weight. Maybe they want to eat better. Maybe they want to eat worse. Within health, we are going to focus on fitness. And then within fitness, you've got to remember that people want to lose weight or may want to lose weight by jumping rope, by running, walking, weightlifting, yoga, all sorts of stuff. So you need to pick one of the topics inside of fitness. We're going to say weightlifting. Okay. And then the final thing that I recommend you should do is talk to a very specific group of people. So don't just talk to all weightlifters because all weightlifters are going to have different needs. The needs of a 20-year-old weightlifter are going to be much different than the needs of a 30 or 40-year-old weightlifter that has a full-time job and kids. So what I would do if I were just getting started is I would create content for men in their late 30s and early 40s that want to lose weight by weightlifting. That talks to a very specific group of people, men that want to lose weight, and then I can focus on weightlifting. That helps separate me from everything else. That helps differentiate me from my competitors. So step number 1 is to pick a niche and then niche down. That creates what's called a blue ocean. Step number 2 is to research and find popular channels within your niche. So you're simply going to type in keywords that are relevant or related to your niche. You could type in weightlifting for men in their 40s, how to lose weight in your 40s. Type in those type of keywords. If you need help, ask AI or ChatGPT to give you a list of keywords that are relevant and start entering them in right into Google. Once you have a list of 20 or so popular channels, make a list of 50 or 100 of the most viewed videos. Now, we want to do this because we want to model what's working. We don't want to steal anybody else's content. We're not going to be duplicating anybody else's content. We want to see what's working so that we can model success. Okay, what we want to do is we want to model the titles, tags, and descriptions and add in our own spin and our own flavor so that we can still be unique. Again, it's really important that we don't want to steal anybody else's content. We don't want to download and then re-upload. We're not doing any of that. We are simply trying to see what works, figure out why it's working so that we can create our own version and potentially improve on what's already out there. Now that you have that list, and you can use Google Sheets, it's free to compile this list. The next step, and the most important step, is to create a plan for monetization. All too often, a lot of creators will start creating content and then realize, oh, hey, I can monetize this. And then they've got to scramble and come up with a plan, create a plan. And the plan is usually haphazard. They've missed out on a bunch of real opportunities and they are left holding the bag. So before you even make a video, come up with a plan for monetization. And this is where I'm going to give you a number of ideas that you could implement as soon as today. Number one is with affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is simply recommending other people's products and services. Here, you're going to partner with established companies and brands and recommend them because that's something that you use. The best part about affiliate marketing is you can partner with brands that people already know, like, and trust. You simply can make content about the brands. You can incorporate these brands into your videos seamlessly, I might add, and people will click because they trust and they buy. Now, the way that affiliate marketing works is you simply will find what's called an affiliate program, and you're going to apply. You can apply to affiliate programs like Dick's Sporting Goods, Amazon, Nike, Adidas, Under Armour. All of the bigger companies usually have an affiliate program. You simply will find ones that are relevant or related to your niche and apply. The worst that they can say is no. And if they say no, you can always reapply later. Once you have a list of affiliate programs and products, you simply can put those links in the description of your videos. For example, if I'm helping men in their 30s and 40s weightlift to lose weight, I might become an affiliate for different weights, dumbbells, barbells, different bench sets. There used to be Marcy home fitness equipment. I could be an affiliate for that. I can also check and see if there are national or international fitness gyms that have affiliate programs. And if they don't, I could reach out to them and ask them if that's something that they're interested in, because I have a channel that is dedicated to helping men lose weight. After affiliate marketing, and you can start that essentially today, the next one is actually creating digital products. Now, what I love about digital products is that you keep more of the money. You get access to the customer data, so you know who's buying from you. You can create digital products like planners, so a weightlifting planner, trackers, water intake tracker, weight loss tracker, workbooks. You could also do like daily affirmations. One of the hardest things about losing weight is the mental side of it, the mental aspect. And you can even create a full-length guide as well. You can do challenges, like maybe a couch to 5K challenge. All of these actually work out very, very well. And of course, you can do a course where you're teaching them the proper form for weightlifting and what to look for if you are struggling lifting weights. That's actually really simple and really powerful. The cool thing, like I said, is that you actually keep more of the money. You have a customer, and as long as you are helping the customer solve a problem, you can have a customer for life. Number 3 is called software as a service. Now, most people struggle with the concept of software as a service, but software as a service is Netflix and Hulu and ESPN Plus and Disney. Essentially, what happens is you are selling a software as a service. In this instance, you could actually create like an AI personal trainer chatbot where you are entering in, or where the customer is entering in information, and the AI personal trainer is giving you output. It's telling the customer how many more sets, their max, their maybe their fitness goals or fitness plan for the next week or two, and even including meal planners, which is really, really cool. So think of a different software as a service, and the biggest benefit of using a SaaS product is that you can make reoccurring income. You can get paid every single month as long as a customer remains a customer. And as long as they're getting value out of it, they'll remain a customer, and you will make money and not have to start over from zero at the beginning of every single month. After SaaS, we have memberships, or kind of like group coaching. The best part about group coaching is you are getting together a group of like-minded individuals, and you are helping them solve a problem. If you can get them to talk to each other and build a real community, you will build a membership that has tens of thousands of subscribers or followers, people that are excited to be there and want to help each other. The only struggle with group coaching is getting people to talk to each other and talk to each other consistently. Now, with group coaching, you will need to provide additional information, whether it's additional planners or workshops or ebooks, whatever it might be, but you need to keep feeding them information so they find value in your membership. Number 5 are sponsorships and brand deals. Sponsorships and brand deals are basically just little commercials that you're going to put in your videos. For example, if you've ever heard someone say, this video is sponsored by Rode Go Wireless 2. The Rode Go Wireless 2 is the best wireless microphone for content creators. Go ahead and pick one up. I've got a link in the description. If you use my link, you'll get a 20% discount. That is a brand dealer sponsorship. A brand will come to you, or you can go to them, and they will sponsor or place an ad inside of your video, and they'll pay you. Now, you'll actually make money in 2 ways with sponsorships. One, you'll get paid up front. Usually they'll offer you, at least $500 for the video, and then you can get paid affiliate commissions on the back end. The final thing that you can do is actually one-on-one coaching. There's going to be a certain group of people that have felt like they've tried everything and they still aren't losing weight or getting the help that they're looking for. They might reach out to you and say, how much will it cost for one-on-one coaching? How much will it cost for you to help me on a one-to-one basis meet my fitness goals? Now, I only recommend this if you have knowledge, skills, and experience in fitness, in helping people lose weight. Maybe you've lost weight yourself. If you aren't a personal trainer, if you don't have any experience in it, if you are still going through your fitness journey yourself, I don't recommend doing this because, quite honestly, you can hurt somebody. So those are the best ways. And then I always look at the YouTube Partner Program or the AdSense as icing on the cake. It's the money that you can make to exceed your income goals. Just doing 1 or 2 of these alone will help you make well over $1,000 per month. In fact, just doing affiliate marketing can help you make over $1,000 per month. Here's a pro tip. What you can do is you can start off selling digital products that you create on your own or using Canva, and then include affiliate links to scale past $1,000. For example, let's say I make a fitness planner for men in their 30s and 40s, a step-by-step 30-day plan for them to get back in the gym and start lifting weights. Each day of the week for 5 days, I have a plan for them to do a different routine or different part of the body. Inside, I could include affiliate links to different shoes they should wear, or athletic gear, or if I'm teaching people how to lose weight at home, different home gym equipment, and some of those people are going to click and buy. Excuse me. Now, if you're looking to get started quickly, I would recommend doing digital products and affiliate marketing. Over time, I would look into building a SaaS because, again, a SaaS is the best way to make recurring income. And if you have knowledge, skills, and experience, you should also consider building out memberships. Now, the only drawback to sponsorships is that it can take a little bit of time to get started. Sponsors want to see that you have a following, and that following is engaged. They're also going to want to see some of your analytics. They want to see things like watch time, view duration, and where your audience is located throughout the world. The benefit of these other things like digital products is people from all around the world will be ready and willing to buy your product as long as you're showing value in your videos. So once you have step 4 completed, which is creating a plan for monetization, I would then go ahead and start creating videos. Create the videos that you found, or recreate them, improve them, that you found in step number 3 with your own spin, your own details, with your own stories, and then put links from the digital products in the description of your videos. And then make sure that you refer to them throughout the video so that people click and buy. And then the last step, because you've done the hard part, which is the monetization, you just need to create videos and keep creating videos. You should come up with a plan, so maybe 3 or 4 videos per week where you are consistently uploading. Only upload as many videos as you can without stressing out, without sacrificing other aspects of your life. Now, you might be asking, how quickly can I start making $1,000 per month? And it really all depends on you. It depends on how good your videos are. It depends on how consistent you are. And it depends on your monetization strategy. If you go with digital products with the affiliate marketing embedded throughout your digital product, you can make $1,000 relatively quickly. If you decide to go the membership route or the software as a service, that's going to take a little bit more time to build up that community. Software as a service might take the second or third most, because you've got to go out there and build the chatbot, make sure that it's working, create a sales page, and then people might slowly trickle in. But if you sell digital products, people can buy those digital products from day one as long as they get value. I want you to comment down below what you think so far. Do you think this is something that you could implement? Do you think this type of information is helpful and you want me to do one for your niche? Because I can do that. Also, I want you to check out my free live web class that I'm holding this Thursday that will teach you how to monetize your content, whether it's TikTok or YouTube, without begging for brand deals or having to go viral. It's about a 90-minute training, but it's packed full of information, and I reveal step by step what I do to make money online. Go ahead and click the first link in the description if you want to learn more. Now, the final thing I want you to do is I want you to comment 16-minute club, because I like to see the people that stay into the end. It's really important for me to create content where people are staying to the end. Also, usually the people that stay to the end are the action takers. They're the ones that are motivated, they are patient enough, and they trust themselves enough to go ahead and take action. So if you're a part of the 16-minute club, comment 16-minute club right now, and I'll see you in the next video.